We will chant 3 times Omkar and we will start today's Prarthana Milan. So inhale normally, exhale completely, and for Om, inhale. Starting prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Veeryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. योग गणपति मूल मंत्र. ओम हम संगम भगवते नित्य योग युक्ताय सच्चिदानंद रूपिणे विनायकाय नमः. श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति प्रार्थना. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना. नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे. सामरस्य प्रेयर फॉर हार्मनी फ्रॉम ऋग्वेद. ओम संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संभो मनांसि जानता देवा भागै यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते समानो मंत्रस्समिति समानी समानं मनस्सह चित्तमेषां समानं मन्त्रमभिमन्त्रयेवः समानेन वो हविषा जुहोमि समानी आपूतिः समानाहृदयानि वः समानमस्तु वो मनः यथा वस्तु सहासति. पंचांगम. अद्यतन पंचांगम सप्तविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं हेमंत ऋतुः माघ मासः शुक्लपक्षः दशमी तिथिः रोहिणी नक्षत्रं ब्रह्मयोगः गरजकरणं सौम्यवासरः. Today's date 28 January 2026 Wednesday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्राधरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमम्. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. Let us continue the 44th shloka. Yesterday was 43rd. Utsanna kula dharmanam मनुष्याणां जनार्दन उत्सन्नकुलधर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दन नरके नियतं वासो भवतीत्यनुशुश्रुमा नरके नियतं वासो भवतीत्यनुशुश्रुमा Now let us chant together twice. Utsannakuladharmanam manushyanam janardana narake niyatam vaso bhavatityअनुशुश्रुमा Utsannakuladharmanam manushyanam janardana narake niyatam vaso bhavatityअनुशुश्रुमा. Let us see the contemplation of this shloka. Jayati Parashara Sunuhu Satyavati Hridaya Nandano Vyasaha Yasya Asya Kamalagalitam Vangmayamamritam Jagat Pibati Vyasaya Bhavanashaya Shrishaya Gunarashaye Hridyaya Shuddhavidyaya Madhvaya Chanamo Namaha Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Yatim Vayuncha Madhvamacharyam Acharyatrayamashraye. Respected dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. So we are seeing how convincingly Arjuna is putting his pressure on Krishna to agree for his thoughts. That is how he did it in the previous shlokas. Sankaro narakaiva kulagnanam kulasyacha patanti pitaro kesham lupta pindodaka kriyaha. Then this is how the dharma in the society is going to fall down. So let us not become the beginner for this. Let us not become the culprit to start this Samaja Dharma Nasha. We are not here to completely destroy the Kula. It is going to happen after Yuddha. That is how he says. Let us see the word split here. Utsanna Kula Dharmana Manushyanam Janardana Narake Niyatam Vasaha Bhavati Iti Anushruma. These are the words. So here, previous shlokas, he says, Doshairetaihi, all the doshas. These are the doshas what we are going to face in future. And this is going to become the end of the world. That means all the Kula will become Nasha. And what happens when Kula Dharma and all the strees become Dushta and Charitriya Vadha of all the strees happen, and all the younger generation will become, careless. That means no caretaker, proper caretaker, no guide, proper guidance will be there. As I told you in my previous talk, 3 dharmas are there. Vyakti Dharma, Samaja Dharma and Shashvata Dharma, that is Sanatana Dharma. So here Arjuna is insisting on Samaja Dharma only, not Vyakti Dharma or Sanatana Dharma. He is insisting on Samaja Dharma, where Samaja Dharma is going to become very, that means no way nobody will be having control. When Doshe Reitai Kulagnana Varna Sankara Karake, when Varna Sankara happens, then Utsadhyante Jati Dharma. Pura Samaj Dharma ukhad jayega, Utsanna. That means from Mula, from the root, everything will be uprooted. Kula Dharma will become uprooted. Shashvataha, permanently it is going to get uprooted Kula Dharma. When Kula Dharma gets uprooted, what happens? Utsanna Kula Dharmanam, Manushyanam, among the humans, because we only have that samaja, no other living entity out of 84 lakhs of species having that samaja, only manushya samaja. When manushya samaja itself will lose its ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಸಮಾಜದ ಬಣ್ಣ ಕೆಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸಮಾಜದ ವರ್ಣ ಸಂಕರ, ಸಂಕರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮಾಜ ತನ್ನ ಬಣ್ಣಗೆಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸಮಾಜದ ಬಣ್ಣ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ? ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೂಸಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಧರ್ಮ. ಸಮಾಜ ಬಣ್ಣಗೆಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನ, ಬಣ್ಣಗೆಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಬಣ್ಣ ಅಂದರೆ ವರ್ಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಣ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಣ್ಣ. ದ ಕಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಲರ್ಡ್. What is that color? That is where he is mentioning among the Manushya, this Utsanna Kula Dharmanam, when it is going to happen, oh Janardana, again the word Janardana is being used. ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಪೀಡೆ ಕೊಡುವವನು ಅಂತ, ಜನಗಳನ್ನು ಪೀಡಿಸುವವನು ಅಂತ. ಜನಗಳನ್ನು ಪೀಡಿಸೋ, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕುಲ, all the generations, if they are going to get completely polluted and diluted, and they will go where? Narake niyatam vasaha. Niyatam means permanently. Nitaram, permanently they are going to be in Naraka. Why Krishna? Why do you want to send all of them to Naraka? Because this is going to happen. Strishu dushta suvarshneya jayate varna sankaraha. When this happens, the samaja becomes discolored, and this discolored samaja, where people will go? People will definitely go to Naraka. Narake niyatam vasaha. Oh Janardana, have you made your mind to send all the people to Naraka permanently? This is a question asked by Arjuna. Narake niyatam vasaha. They will be staying in Naraka permanently. There is no way to come out of all this. Bhavati iti, bhavati, hige aguttade, anta iti anushruma. This is a beautiful word, anushruma. This prayoga is amazing here, where Arjuna is not himself just telling, he says, Nanu keliddene. That means Navu, he is using Shushruma is a Bahuvachana Shabda. Anushrava or Anushrava is Ekavachana. He is telling, no, he is telling his opinion, but he is using Bahuvachana Shabda. That means not me only, many people from the Vedic wisdom or from the previous Rishimunis, everyone I have heard telling all this opinion from the Rishimunis. Not, I am not the only one who is giving this opinion. Everybody, you ask anyone, they will also come with the same opinion. When Yuddha happens, what is going to happen? This Bahuvachana Shabda is going to give the opinion of all the people. That is where Arjuna is stressing here, Krishna, you have to agree with me. Not only just I am telling, because everybody's opinion is like this. Then you have to agree with the opinion of everyone. This is how Arjuna is putting a seal on his opinion, endorsing it and making Krishna to forcibly agree what Krishna says, and how this shloka is going to take further final touch here. Ahobata, oh my God, this is what? This is how he is going to exclaim, oh, this is going to happen and we are unable to control it. How is it that knowing everything, how can we make it not to happen this? You are just motivating me to make Kula Dharma Nasha. This is what is the opinion of Arjuna. Let us see in the next shloka how this is going to get concluded. This is the whole first chapter itself that we will see in the coming days. Thank you very much. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukha